Hello my alien students, so this is part 2 of the drawing. Okay, how we'll be drawing the duct. See, I tell you one thing. See, when I see this drawing, there's a lot of, let's say, that's a lot of things which is not in my let's say scope of work, okay, isn't it? So first what I will be doing is something called as cleaning. Okay, I call it cleaning, you can call it anything. Okay, I call it actually shaving. Okay, a lot of things is not in my scope of work. Okay, but what the thing is, first you need to see the layers. Like you see M layer, M duct. M means mechanical. M means mechanical. Okay, so what I believe is most of the objects, the person who has drawn this is done good practice. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the layer properties, click layer property. Okay, okay, and then yeah, I think we shall start from here, FMC till here. Okay, select these layers, pressing Control key, select all of these layers. Okay, and then what you do is right click and then invert selection. Done? Yeah, and then off them. Okay, so now we have a clearer drawing, so we know what is to be done. We have forgotten the size, so just undo it again. I need to see the layer of this. It is SN text, SNM text, SN, oh, layer 0, SN. This is humanish drawing. Okay, I believe most of the things are in SN. Okay, click layer properties. SN. I think what I will do is, listen, from here we shall start from here and go till M layer. Okay, and say invert selection. Okay, what I can do is, listen, go to layer 0, select this, and then I pressed Control key. Okay, invert selection and say adios. Okay, this looks better, isn't it? Now we have a clearer drawing, isn't it? This is what we will be doing. This is our project now. Moving forward, we will be doing this. Okay, we would like to see the, what is this? Walls, grids. Okay, anyway, but you get the picture. Okay, this is our project. We will be doing this project now, step by step. First, we will do the duct work. I like to do it first. Okay, the pant, trouser, not pant. Okay, and then the bend. Okay. What is the meaning of BOD? Any comments? Okay, I'd like you to give me the answer. Okay, I'll tell you what is the meaning in the next class. I want this, keep it in the comment section. BOD means what? What is FFL? Okay, see BOD. What is the meaning of BOD? Here also FFL, BOD. Okay, I give you a hint. It is an elevation. Okay, elevation of what? I want you to tell me. Come on, use your brains, and isn't it? Okay, so in this next class we show you how to draw this. Okay, what I have done is, actually what I had done is, okay, I have let's say changed the layer. This is actually an XREF. I exploded it, so I have the what is this guy called? It looks better, you know, isn't it? Instead of a white background, I hate gray background, isn't it? We like to have something with color, isn't it? So what I'll be doing in the next class, I show you how do we move this here, or we bring it back, and I show you. I think better do it now itself. Now you give me another. Okay, why I did this was just to see. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. So this is called brains. True, it seems. Okay, click move. I believe this looks good. This is something else. Okay, done. So we have our story here. This looks better, no? Isn't it? Okay, now what I'll do is I will hide the remaining layers. See, this is all I do not want. Most of the things I do not want to see. I just need to see now the duct work, isn't it? This is how do we draw it. Okay, FFL. What is the meaning of FFL? Just write it down in the comment section. Okay, finished floor level. BOD, bottom of duct. Okay. Oh, I thought I had to not tell you the answer, isn't it? SAD. SAD? No. Supplier duct. Okay. FA, fresh air. 100 CFM. Okay, what does this mean? This means return. Okay. Return air. Okay, in the next class I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we see each other in the next class. Yellow.